This is Stephen Clank bringing you the Shore Local Entertainment Update. South Jersey's very own Doug Jennings is back on the keys. This week, he will provide diners at Boca with some fantastic tunes, originals, and covers, all on the set list. Hear him this Thursday night at 6 or on Sunday morning at 11. Beth Tinnon will return to A Touch of Italy this Thursday. The multi-talented vocalist is native to South Jersey and performs some of the greatest hits on the planet. This evening of music will take place just after 6 p.m. Beth Tinnon can also be found Saturday night at Wildwood's Bolero Resort with the Chatter Band, and inside the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino on Sunday with her intriguing trio. This Friday is Fourth Friday at Nashville North Studios. This month's exhibit, Men in the Arts, spotlights the work of two renowned local artists. Music will be provided by saxophonist Tommy Alvarado. The gallery will be open this Friday between 3 and 8. Visit Nashville North Studios online or on Facebook for reservations. Face coverings will be obligatory. Harbor Pines Golf Club in Egg Harbor Township will host Friday Night Live, featuring the best in live and local entertainment. Enjoy mouth-watering food, a handcrafted beverage, and incredible ambiance as you listen to the sounds of Colin York. The music will take place inside the grill room at 5:30. Make your reservations today or stop by the pub. Prepare to hear the very best in indie rock as Ill Rendition makes their sensational return to the stage. The band is performing on Friday night at Waterdog at Bally's. Check them out between 6 and 9 p.m. and be on the lookout for their new single, Ghosted, in collaboration with Dub321 and MC Chris from LNJ Sessions, streaming online this Thursday. Get ready for Latin Night at Cuba Libre. This week, hear the very best in Latin flavor with Adrian Anthony's Grupo Hypnosis. The show will start at 6:30 on Friday. Call ahead for reservations. The Notion is back in Summers Point. This covers band will bring the very best in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and more to the stage at Caroline's. Check them out on Friday night at 8. You can also check out 80s Live, taking place at Hard Rock's Sound Waves Theater. This show, produced by Alan Valentine, brings nostalgia to life with the music that inspired a decade. From Madonna to The Boss, Prince to Michael Jackson, 80s Live is sure to entertain. Purchase your tickets for their performance on Sunday afternoon. And Richie Ramone is coming to Atlantic City. The famed drummer is headlining a U.S. tour with special guests, NYC rockers Public Notice. This show is being held at Bourre this Monday, March 28th. Tickets are on sale now. Have a great weekend!